Hey guys, it's Miss G again. I wanted to send another weekly update for this week of April 27th through May the 1st. This week, guys, you're going to continue to read or listen to Sun. You're going to listen to chapters 9 and 10. Make sure that you are annotating because your other assignment will be to upload either a file of your annotations or a picture of your annotations. Make sure, too, that you are including your main characters. Choose one setting or two. A problem that's in the chapter and a solution for that problem. And if you had to assign a theme to that chapter, please put that down as well, okay? After you have uploaded your annotations to Canvas, you have a Mastery Connect practice called Crayons. As always, the codes are in Canvas. And remember, I create a new module each week. So this week will be April 27th through May 1st. And then the page with all of your instructions, videos, standards, assignments, all that fun stuff are on the page that says April 28th and April 30th because you complete your ELA work on Tuesdays and Thursdays of every week. If you have trouble accessing that or if you have any trouble at all, you can message me through Canvas, email me at agekelly@nasd.ms, or join in my Google Meets. Remember, they're on Tuesday and Thursday mornings from 9 to 10 a.m. And actually, I'm on there about 10 till 9. So if you need to join in, and also on Fridays by appointment. So if you can't join in those 2 days and you need to maybe meet with me face to face, then we can certainly make an appointment on Friday. So I want you guys to continue to reach out to me. If you mess up on Mastery Connect and you need to redo, please send me a message in Canvas or join the Google Meet, and I'll be glad to reset it and give you the ones you messed up on. Take your time, use your strategies. Our Tuesday Google Meets will be another Common Lit. We'll read and discuss like we did last week. And then Thursday, I'll pull up the Mastery Connect practice crayons, and we'll kind of read over those, read over the questions, and use some of our strategies on that. I hope you guys are staying well. I understand that a lot of businesses are getting ready to open back up. Please continue to practice social distancing. If you have to get out, stay home as much as possible. Continue to wash your hands and take care of yourselves and your family members. Remember, we have 2 weeks left of virtual school. So stay tuned for some announcements coming up district-wide for that, but that will be pretty much it. So I hope you guys are doing really well. We have some exciting news at our house after what seems like, oh gosh, 1,000 different days of rain. We are finally moving ahead building our house, which is exciting. It's a project we've been working on for the past 2 years, and anyway, there's a bulldozer on the land. They're getting ready to do dirt work this week and then pouring a foundation. So I'm excited. And yes, I'm old. I get excited about house building and plans and all that fun stuff. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. I miss you. I enjoy seeing the ones that join in on Google Meet and hearing from the ones that message me through Canvas. Keep up the good work. You guys are doing an awesome job despite this really weird, unprecedented time in our lives. But as always, I'm here for you, and I love you, and I hope you're doing well, and I hope to see you or hear from you this week. So take care, guys. Have an awesome week.